A SeaCure compatible stab-in float shoe is run on the casing. The first inner string assembly, which is run, is the SeaCure BHA, comprised of a compatible stab-in adapter for the shoe, our circulation sub, weight set centralizer, and SeaCure slip joint tools. This BHA is 30 feet long in its closed position. Once picked up, the SeaCure slip joint tool opens to enable 10 feet of stroke to approximately space out your inner string within the casing bore. The SeaCure BHA is run into the casing on drill pipe until made up to the running tool. Once the inner string is engaged into the shoe, top filling the air gap confirms hydraulic integrity. When making up the running tool, the SeaCure slip joint strokes partially closed, enabling the internal clutch to disengage and allow free rotation of the inner string to make up the running tool. The running tool ball valve is left open for the duration of the SeaCure cement job, thanks to the stab-in seals at the float shoe. At this point, the casing can be run to cementing depth and the primary cement job can be pumped. At the end of the cement job, a lockdown wiper dart can be launched into the string and chased with slurry to guarantee good quality cement around the shoe. On bump, pressure is applied to the inner string to open a valve within the SeaCure Circ sub here. Circulation can continue via the inner annulus, venting to seabed through the open ball valve. Optionally, the ball valve can be closed by ROV to enable a life of well integrity casing pressure test immediately after pumping the cement job. It is also possible at this point in the job to introduce our patented Quick Cure process. Quick Cure utilizes a pit of seawater which has been preheated on the rig to approximately 65 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat sweep is then circulated into the inner annulus, transferring heat through the casing into the slurry. The additional heat causes a rapid build in compressive strength and a dramatic reduction in transition time. As an alternative to the dart version of SeaCure, a ball drop system can be utilized. After displacing the cement job within a few barrels of the shoe, the SeaCure ball can be dropped into the string, landing on a seat within the SeaCure BHA, isolating the open hole. Pressure is applied to the ball until casing ID circulation is established. Subsequent pressure testing and/or quick cure processes can then be implemented. However, one unique aspect of the ball drop version of SeaCure, because of the positioning of the ball seat within the SeaCure BHA, it is possible to retrieve a downhole sample of cement from the shoe itself. We call this feature Core Cure, giving you a definitive example of the quality cement you have at the shoe. The remainder of the SeaCure process is identical for either version selected. Because the SeaCure tool is still in free rotate mode, the running tool can be disengaged and picked up safely, enabling release of the stab-in adapter from the shoe. Once the inner string has been retrieved, you're left with a clean casing bore and, importantly, no shoe track to contend with.